So what are the best penny stocks to buy on January 31st, 2025? Well, number one recommendation is TCTM Kids IT Education, stock symbol TCTM. It is up today 376% in one day, or 68 cents, trading at 86 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 344 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is only $2 million. So, this is an amazing stock, I would say. 6 months ago, or actually 4 months ago, it used to trade at $1.80. Then it gradually collapsed all the way to like 10 cents. While it was collapsing, nobody was trading it, nobody was interested in that stock. Basically, it was kind of like invisible to the market. However, they released some kind of news today, and suddenly the stock is the hottest thing on the market, basically almost quadrupling in price in one day. So, if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on. Plus, I like the name of the company. It has Kids IT Education. So this company is teaching probably kids how to, I don't know, maybe write software, how to operate computers or something like that, which is a very valuable skill in our world. So, very interesting. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's up there, because even if you pull the trigger right now and buy it, let's say at 86 cents, and it goes back to its previous levels of $1.80, I mean, you could be looking at least doubling your money. So who knows, but it is very interesting. So take a look. TCTM Kids IT Education, stock symbol TCTM, only 86 cents a share. Next one is Trident Digital Tech Holdings, stock symbol TDTH. It is up today 107%, or $1.02, trading at $1.97. Since this morning, it already traded 17 million shares. Market cap of the company is about $53 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, it's probably some kind of technology company, since we have digital and tech in its name. So for the last 6 months, it was really kind of like going nowhere. It was hovering around like $2. Then it collapsed all the way to like $1 just in the last couple of, I would say, days. So I guess there was some kind of negative event that was generated yesterday, and suddenly the stock had a huge drop, and now it's trying to recover by doubling in price in one day. So basically, maybe the stock was oversold, and after people kind of cooled down and the panic disappeared, they started to go back into that stock. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, because if you decide to pull the trigger right now at $1.97 and it goes back, by the way, 6 months ago it used to trade at $4.20. So if you pull the trigger right now basically at $2, there's a chance you could actually double your money if this thing goes back to $2. So take a look. Trident Digital Tech Holdings, stock symbol TDTH, only $1.97 a share. Next one is Cycleron Therapeutics, stock symbol CYCN. It is up today 50%, or $1.28, trading at $3.82. Since this morning, it already traded 51 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is only $10 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, this is obviously a pharmaceutical penny stock based on the word therapeutics in its name. So I'm not sure what kind of medications they were developing, but it was a kind of quiet company for, I would say, the last 6 months. It was hovering around $2, not really going much up or down. However, there was an event on December 1st when they probably released some kind of crazy news, and the stock just shot up from $2 all the way to like $6, pretty much tripling in a matter of a day, with also huge volume of, I would say, probably close to like 300 or 400 million shares. However, it couldn't sustain itself at $6, and it collapsed all the way back to like $2. So now we're experiencing an event similar to the one that happened on December 1st, when the company released some kind of news, and the stock is producing 50% jump in price, and also producing very good spike in volume, where it's trading already 51 million shares in the first 90 minutes. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, because even if you decide to pull the trigger at $3.82 and it goes back to its previous levels of like $6 or $7, you could potentially double your money. So, but with pharmaceutical stocks, it's a kind of dangerous game, because what could happen is that maybe the hype that's being generated by this news actually is short-lived, and it quickly dies out, and suddenly the stock will collapse back from, let's say, $4, where it's like kind of trading right now, back to, let's say, $2. So be careful, read the news, and judge for yourself. But the stock is on the move. So Cyclerion Therapeutics, stock symbol CYCN, only $3.82 a share. Next one is Perfect Moment. That's the name of the company. Stock symbol PMNT. It is up today 47%, or 33 cents, trading at $1. Since this morning, it already traded 4 million shares. Market cap of the company is roughly $19 million. So I'm not sure what this company does with a name like this, Perfect Moment, but in the last 6 months, it was pretty much hovering around 70 cents. It had an event that basically propelled the stock from, I would say, like 80 cents to $1.60, basically doubling in a couple of days. But again, the stock couldn't sustain itself at this price and collapsed back to like 70 cents. So right now we have this major push, probably generated by some kind of news, that producing 47% in jump of the price of the stock. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, because even if you decide to pull the trigger right now at $1 and this thing goes back to its previous levels of like $1.80, there's a chance for you to make 80% return on your investment. So, but take a look and see what's up with this company. So, Perfect Moment Limited, stock symbol PMNT, only $1 a share. Next one is Signing Day Sports, stock symbol SGN. It is up today 47%, or $1.20, trading at $3.77. Since this morning, it already traded 52 million shares. Market cap of the company is roughly $3 million. So it's an interesting company. I mean, I had it on the news, on my news on June 17th, when it jumped from like $3 all the way to $25 just in one day. I mean, it was a huge growth. So, but again, the company couldn't sustain its price at that level, so it collapsed. So right now we're experiencing a similar event, but the jump is only 47%. So if you decide to pull the trigger at $3.77 and this thing goes back to its previous levels of $25 a share, I mean, you'll be looking at about 800% return on this investment. So take a look. Signing Day Sports, stock symbol SGN, only $3.77 a share. So Thank you for your time and good luck trading. And go here and download my app called Penny Gems. Bye bye now.